Welcome. In front of me is an HMD Skyline, and today I'll show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, you'll want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen, like so, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, on one of the pages you will find power saving mode. For me, it is on the second page right over here. Now the exact name is battery saver. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it and this will enable it. It also turns off NFC, as you just seen, that just automatically disable itself. And if you hold the toggle, it should take us to the settings, and in here, when we go to battery saver, if you tap on the text itself, it actually shows you what changes will happen when enabled. And this list is actually pretty extensive. So we have 5G being disabled, face unlock being disabled, or actually these two aren't enabled by default by the looks of it, but turn off location, disable notifications on lock screen, and disable Bluetooth when there's no device connected. That's a really cool option. Reduce the brightness, shorten the screen timeout, turn off auto sync, turn off NFC, disable keyboard dial pad sounds, disable haptic vibration feedback, and disables live wallpaper. So these are all the things that will happen when enabled. Obviously you can tweak them if some of these options do interfere with how you want to use your device. For instance, maybe you just want to have NFC all the time and don't have to worry about it sometimes not working because you pay with your phone. You might want to disable that. So in such a case, just toggle it off and you're good to go. Now, anyway, once you're done with the power saving mode, you can turn it off by finding the toggle once again and tapping on it once more. And obviously this will undo all the changes. Now, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.